Hey guys, guess where I'm at? I'm in my garden. So I thought it would be fun to do a video outside in my garden. So whatever sounds, the wind, I can't control it. Okay, so actually, yeah, so what's behind me, there's that corn that I planted. There's romaine lettuce, peppers. I planted some onions. And then we go over here. Just come with me. Here is squashes, cucumbers, and stuff like that. Tomatoes are over there, the marigolds. Just a quick little, there's some watermelon and honeydew, and I planted these yesterday. Let's see, can you see? Then over there is the lavender, and way over there is more stuff. So I'm learning. Oh my gosh, there's so much to it that. Okay. Anyway, so I thought I would bring out some cards and do like an intuitive message out here, outside. So I've been trying to get outside more. Definitely the garden is, I love it. Love it, I love it. I'm learning so much. Okay. And there's a couple guys that I watch on YouTube, but Epic Gardening is one of them. A couple of them, most of them are like, there's two that are in San Diego, and they're awesome. But one is called Epic Gardening, and there's more. There's a lot more. So, okay. So I thought it'd be fun. I brought my animal deck, okay? Then my usual, the Gaia deck, and then this is the Angels and Ancestors, or something like that. Okay. What does Gaia want to tell us? The sun feels so good. Actually, I don't know if most of my viewers look at this, see my tattoo on my back. Show and tell. I don't know if you could see it. But yeah. This big one right here. Okay, enough show and tell. Let's get some messages. I'll try and do my best whatever animals come out. I don't have the book, so whatever comes through, okay? So what does Gaia want? What cards want to come out? This is fun. Come hang with me in my garden. Oh, I should have brought some water or tea. I'll try to do this at least once a week. This is nice. Before it gets to triple digits out here, so. This is extremely grounding. Being connected like this. So. Earth magic, fairies. Perfect. I love it. Earth magic, fairies. Let's get an animal. I love that. The earth magic. We are totally in earth magic energy right now. The fairies, taking care of the plants and the flowers. I definitely talk to my plants. Watch what I say. Okay, let's see what animal wants to come up. Okay, so I am recording the moth. How funny, because there was a white moth chilling on, I think, it was like just chilling on my grass. It would not move, and I was trying to gently like, hey, it was like right in the middle of the grass, and it was really pretty, and I was trying to like, okay, come on, I don't want to step on you, you know? The moth. trying to feel into what the moth's message is. Well, there's a lot of green in here. Definitely connected to, I'm feeling like the heart energy. Well, and moths, butterflies. It's like going towards the light, you know, keep going towards that light, going towards that joy, what brings you. Let's get another one, mix and match it. Oh, look at the bottom of the deck, we have Green Man. Synergy, that synergistic flow, okay. Earth magic, oh, we got shape shifting. Clouds, actually not a lot of, oh my gosh, I wish you could see this. There's a giant, like, there's a circular, I mean I could show you, but it would probably be like really bright. There's like a, hearing fell off. Like a circular rainbow around the sun. It's doing that thing, it's like a giant rainbow. Ooh, I love it. So we've got clouds shape-shifting, shifting forms. You know how with clouds it could shift, and you know, you look at it and it looks like a certain type of animal and it can shift. So let me get more in this. What is this clouds shape-shifting? What is this cloud shape-shifting? The spirit fox. Yes, things are shifting, our talents are shifting, we're getting new downloads, new, wow, that rainbows, getting, calling in, you know, from previous lifetimes, previous soul lives. It's like connecting with those that we may have forgotten. So shape-shifting is definitely goes together. The fox, you know, trust your talents in changing times. Here goes the wind. Woo. Okay, so this is what you call just like going with the flow of what's going to happen when you do an outside message. Just be careful that my cards don't fly away, but the energy so far. The moth, I just feel like be you. That was a message. Be you. Be yourself authentically. You know. Ooh, perfect. Oh my gosh. Got two of my favorite animals here. Okay, first of all, we got Dragon Spirit coming out. Dragon Spirit. Oh. You can call them your personal dragon protector. I like to think of my dragon protector wherever. You know, to kind of like just chilling on, like the spirit of the dragon, just chilling on my house and protecting it. The dragon is powerful, wise. Okay, let's keep going. Dolphin, my favorite, joyous, playful. The dolphin spirit, telepathy, definitely. Tuning into the subconscious, unconscious, like, but definitely with the dolphin, it's play, it's joy, it's connecting with the inner child. And then we have peacock, which I'm wearing a peacock necklace. Look at that beautiful blue, the peacock, spiritual. Okay, so I know that the peacock is based in spiritual energies, the blue and the third eye connecting with different facets, also just very adaptable. Okay, so that's what I'm getting from these. Sorry, I don't, like I said on the book, I'm just tuning to the frequency, and you can look it up if you would like. Okay. This is fun. Okay, let's do another earth magic card. How long is it? Almost 10 minutes already? Crystals, focus. Yes. Look at this card, it's so gorgeous. It looks like purple, looks like amethyst. Okay, let's get another card. What to focus? Focus. What's with the focus? Focusing on where your thoughts are at. thinking of, because that can manifest. So, you know, be mindful, observant. Invocation, ceremony. Ooh, focus. Like that's right. We are in the new moon. That's right, and it's in Gemini. So, that's the sign of the twins. You know, twin flame. So, focusing, ceremony. Focusing on your intention, like I said, and what you want to bring in, what you want to focus on. But definitely, I love my gems and crystals and. Yeah, so that's a really beautiful message, and let's get an Angels Ancestors card for that. That's one thing I'm learning about gardening is the natural environment of gardening, the bugs. There's so many different bugs and insects. Oh my goodness. Oh, and by the way, you know, I did have ladybugs, but they didn't stay. They took off. Which is kind of a good thing, I would think, because that means there's no bugs. There's not a lot of bugs to eat. I don't know. Broken arrow, embrace the energy of peace. What brings you peace? That's why we have this focus in invocation, to focus on what brings you peace and bringing that in. Sometimes it's just a simple, just sitting out in nature and like meditating, going for a walk and just being really observant. Okay, I had like a stack of cards come out, so put that away. Embrace the energy of peace. Ooh, Hunter, track down your fears and desires. I love this card. Track down your fears and desires. So tracking those down, paying attention to like what is coming up right now for you to be observant of, you know. Okay, these cards stick together. All right, we'll just take them all and I'll read them all. We've got the moon and the seer and the drum. Wow, look at this. So first of all, look at shed old skin. You have the snake, okay, with the arrow pointing down. Okay, so shedding old skin. Okay, it's because it is also the new moon, focusing on what you want to manifest. Okay, putting your intentions in. Similar to tracking down your fears, your desires. Well, we have a similar energy, make plans and focus. It's the same as the focus card. And then look at this. There's a lot of intuitive energy definitely going around. Not going around, but it is there. It's, if you want to tune into something, you can't. What I'm saying is, I feel like it's increasing. Especially for those that are already in tune, it's just getting more. The Schumann resonance, and it's another thing. Whatever solar activities are going on as well. But this is really powerful. We have the seer, seeing beyond. Okay, see beyond the current situation. Also having a higher perspective, asking to see from a higher perspective. Okay, and then we have the drum, dream and journey with the moon. So the phases and cycles in our lives. You know, take note of intuitive messages. Dream and journey. Wow, see beyond the current situation. That is straight up like mystical energy, baby. Like that is dreaming, journaling, meditation, journeying, shamanic journeying, even listening to drumming, closing your eyes and see where it takes you, and then write down what you see, okay, what you get, what intuitive messages you get by tuning into the drum. The drum is it's like the heartbeat, it's like the rhythm of the flow of consciousness of nature. Okay, the drum, tune into that, and one more. Let's see. Ooh, ocean. Cards are hot. Ocean. Oh, the ebb and flow. I'm just fantasizing about the ocean. Especially with this heat, that water looks so just refreshing. The art work on these cars are amazing. I love it. Okay. Oh, and look, we have music. Music also is really helpful, lifting your vibration, positive music, tones, frequencies. Yeah. And let's get one more animal card. This one. Ooh. I know maybe the tarantula. Okay. Ooh, I know some people don't like spiders, but it's part of nature. Okay, so but the tarantula, as far as I remember in the book, what it said is like knowing it's like a pause before taking action, or like that. I feel like this is like focus too. Ooh, I'm gonna show you this because it's a beautiful eagle. Is like I was saying, seen from a higher perspective. The eagle represents that as well. Seen from a higher perspective, a higher point of view. And look at his talons. He's about ready to grab onto that. 16 minutes. Wow. What have we been talking about this whole time? This is fun. Yes, we're grounding. We have the tree. What else? Vision Quest. Yeah, Vision Quest goes along with everything I was talking about. This is a really good time, I feel, to really go deeper inside. Okay. Vision Quest, going on a vision quest. Internally, externally. You can do a lot with just, for me, music, environment, simple basic things that you can use to tap into your higher guidance, your intuition, the drum, going out in nature. Very basic, simple things, but very powerful at the same time. So I think I'll end it on this note. And here's my rose quartz. Pretty, huh? I keep it out in my, I've left it out here in my garden. All right, you guys, I'm getting very warm and toasty, and I'm gonna call it the day on this outside adventure of reading. Ha, look at this. Split the deck and we got sun. Enjoy success and happiness. All right, you guys, stay blessed. Talk to you later. Bye.